Hey, what's up everyone? So today we're going to go on a little drive and test out my new exhaust, mainly a new muffler. I took out the Aero exhaust muffler itself. It was pretty loud. It was miserable while towing just because the truck was under load constantly, and definitely not pleasant for long road trips. We're moving back to the lower 48 here in a month or so, but I ended up putting a Flowmaster FlowFX on. So overall, I have 3-inch solo performance off-road downpipes into a 3.5-inch exhaust the rest of the way out, and in that is that 3.5 inlet, 3.5 outlet Flowmaster FlowFX. So it is significantly more quiet in the cab and outside. Flowmaster describes it as a moderate tone on the outside and on the inside as mild, so should make for a much more pleasant experience, and hopefully this little clip helps you out if you're interested.